Here's how to find the login QR code in Outlook to set up the app on your phone. Log into your Outlook account on your browser and go to your dashboard. Once you are on the main Outlook screen, look at the top left corner of the interface and find the Help option in the menu. Click on Help and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Scroll through and select Outlook Mobile from the list. Once you click that, a QR code will appear on your screen. This QR code is what you use to download and set up the Outlook app on your mobile device. Open the camera app on your phone, point it at the QR code on your screen, and it will automatically scan it and take you to the app download page. Once you download and install the app, your Outlook account will sync automatically. No need to manually enter your email and password on your phone. It is the fastest way to get Outlook set up on any smartphone. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.